Okay, so let's start. 2020 and 2021 was two hardest year of my life. I was like thousands kilometers away from my friends, from my university, from my research lab. So not just me, my friends from all over the world. We were detached from each other for 2 long years. So last year, actually mid of 2021, we decided that on our birthday we will make a funny Q&A session so that we can entertain each other. And that's why we asked our friends from all over the world to ask us some funny questions. So my friends, they asked me questions and now I'm gonna answer all those questions. But I'm not sure from which angle I will be able to catch a clear video. This one, right? And this is Mr. Bidyut Boron, my elder brother. Now we are at, it's formally called Jia Uddan, right? Now it's Chondrima Uddan. This is our, it's actually our, I should call it our backyard because we live beside it, Monipuri Pada. This is not that much far from our residence. And it's a kind of like leisure place for like young people, elder people, children's. So okay, let's start. So I'm not mentioning the person's name who asked me the question, so I think you guys gonna guess, but I will answer all of your questions. And I sort out 54 questions, and thank you all for wishing me. And let's start. So the first, I am reading the questions, but I'm not gonna say the name who asked me that question. So let's start. The first question was, what is your, like I sorted out all the questions here. What is your most hilarious memory with me? You know that what was my most hilarious memory with you. It was in Chengdu. I think you know that. We were unable to open the elevator because that was in Chinese. I mean the direction was in Chinese. So, and that time our Chinese was not that much good. So I think this is one of the most hilarious memories with you. Second question. Oh my God, your hair. Can I know the secret behind it? Actually, there is no secret. It's I got it from my parents, and then like I from my childhood I was not that much meat lover. I think this has also helped me to like maintain a good hair, and I don't use that much product on my hair. I love to keep it natural, and I love to like oiling it 2 times, sometimes 3 times in a month. And I use henna a lot. Henna is very good for health. And my diet is mainly focused most of the time in vegetable. This is my secret, and I go to gym regularly, so I think it also helped me. So next question, who is your best Russian buddy? It's a very difficult question for me because most of my foreign life I was with my like I have friends from all over the world, but I spend most of the time with my Russian buddies. Among them, Miss Kulnotik is my best Russian buddy because I feel I have something special with her, and we together have so many good memories. Do you have a plan to come back in China? Yes, I have. If Chinese government allow me again, then. How much do you like me? I like you a lot as a classmate, as a buddy, as a, I should say, international friend. I like you so much, and I wish you, your brother, and your sister-in-law a very happy new life. Your muscles are so jealous. What kind of workout do you follow? Nowadays I don't follow any kind of strict rules, but when I was like bit younger, like in my early 20s, I used to follow a very strict workout routine. I focused on compound exercise, like which workout allow you to engage multi joint, like multi muscle, like deadlift, squats, and then bench press, and the military press, dumbbell press, and all kind of presses. So these are my workout routines. Other than your original profession, what is your favorite hobby that you do to pass your time? Other than my original profession, what is your favorite hobby that you do pass your time? I normally spend nowadays. I normally spend most of the time with my brother Vidyut Boron. He has his own business. He has a low voltage business. Like he provided switch and sockets and low voltage setup to so many companies. So I love to help him. What kind of places do you like to go on a date? You mean the literary date? I'm single for so long time, but when I was in relationship, I love to go like normally like calm and quiet places, not that much like crowded places. And most I love to go with in a date. It's a kind of mix of our Cox's Bazar, like where you will be able to get the access of sea and the like not mountain, like small hills, not mountains at the same time. Because I believe God and Goddess, they live there in a place where you have both mountains and river. What is your favorite food and what quantity you eat to show your love? My favorite food is soya sang curry. Like I can eat a hell lot of it. I can eat a hell lot. What is your favorite song that you hear on a loop? I don't have that much favorite song. Like I love pop songs, especially Bollywood pop songs. So it's like a new movie will come and then they release the songs before, and I love to hear them again and again. Which moment was your moment of achievement? My moment of achievement was when I got my PhD acceptance. That was my moment of achievement. Because I was a very lazy guy. What is the most exciting moment of your life that still excites you? What is the most exciting moment of my life that still excites you? I have to think about it. Actually, it was meet up with one of my cousin. I never saw her. They live in India, and she got married and she lives in Rajasthan. So I went there to visit her. But the thing was, we talk each other in mobile. I mean, by using mobile phone. But we never saw each other, and it was a long time ago. And that time, like social media was not that much popular, and she was not used to with all those stuffs. So, like at a first glance, she recognized me, and I recognized her. So that was one of the most exciting moments of my life, and that was my first time I visited Rajasthan, and it's in India. Do you believe in recollecting memories? Of course I do. I do recollecting memories. If you had been given a chance to go back to your best memories, what would it be? What it would be? It would be so many things, but I can say you the important one, and that was I forget the bike name, and I want to ride that from Jammu to Kashmir. Then was tea or coffee? Neither. I don't like tea, I don't like coffee, but occasionally I drink tea. So maybe it will be tea. Love or career? Love or career? Which one you will choose, Dada?
Both.
Love or career?
Both.
Both? I don't know. At my age, I think I should career more on. I mean, I should focus more on career. Fame or money? Money, obviously money. Money can buy happiness, but money can buy all the stuffs which will help you to make happiness. So money is important. Childhood life or adult life? Childhood life or adult life? It's a complicated question actually. Childhood life or adult life? Before Corona, adult life. After Corona, childhood life. Because before Corona, I was enjoying my adult life too much because I was permitted to go anywhere. But right now, due to Corona restriction and family pressure, I am not able to go anywhere. So childhood life, and it's like both actually. Depend on situation. Move on or hold on. Move on or hold on. Move on. Obviously, move on. Western outfit or traditional outfit? Traditional outfit. But
I think so.
traditional. You think
got
Western?
The Western outfit.
I think both is okay. Sometimes Western, sometimes like
But what is your exact passion?
my exact passion is
Western.
traditional. Traditional, yes. I love traditional outfits. Name a book that you would cherish for a lifetime. Name a book that you cherish for a lifetime. Actually, I'm a student of language and literature, so I have read so many books. It's difficult. I have so many books, not just one book, but I can. It will be like so many books, like My Son Fanatic. It was by Hanif Qureshi. He's my favorite. And then I forget the book name. So many books. Then Whiteman Barden, and then The Great Expectations, and then obviously Frankenstein. A movie sequel you wish for? A movie sequel I wish for. Hirok Rajar Deshe. I wish for, but it was made by legendary Satyajit Ray. So I wish somebody could make the sequel of this movie. Lowest marks you have ever scored? Lowest marks I scored lowest marks because of you. Because you told me to wrote that, and teachers, she got like too much angry. She was furious upon our writings. So that is my lowest score. And I know why you asked this. Mountain or beaches? Both, but I prefer mountains. You, mountain or beach? Mountain, yes. Your current favorite song?
Temple of the King.
My current favorite song is Memories by Maroon 5. Heaviest weight you have lifted? In my early 20s, I did some weightlifting that time. So that was my deadlift, and I lifted 220 kg. I don't know the pound. It was 220 kg.
110 pounds.
And then longest plank. It was nearly 4 minutes. cartoon theme song you remember. Cartoon theme song. Cartoon theme song I remember. Meena cartoon. Meena cartoon. আমি বাবা মায়ের শত আদরের মেয়ে এরকম. I mean, this was like something that I am the most adorable. I mean, like I am not most. I am the precisely adorable girl of my parents. আমি বাবা মায়ের শত আদরের মেয়ে. Meena, and it was a cartoon by UNICEF. And then dish you regret tasting. Hey, buddy, you know that dish I regret tasting. That was a Chinese dish actually, but I don't want to say the name. So, but I just say, you know that which one. What is better, books or movie adaptation? Books are better. Cats or dogs? What's your favorite? Dogs. Max number of push-ups in one set you achieved. Max number of push-up. 50. Max number of push-up. It was 100 and something. I don't remember it, but it was 100 plus. So long ago. It was like I was a teen, full of energy. Was like so many things happened that time. You know, you were young. You can do so many things. And then max number of pull-ups or chin-ups. It was also nearly 100 plus. What is the most embarrassing moment you have faced ever? What are the most embarrassing moments you have faced ever? I should say this was today. We went to owner of a bank house, right? And he was furious. That celebrity you are obsessed about? No, I am not obsessed about any celebrity. What is that one fear you want to overcome soon? What is that one fear you want to overcome soon? The freedom of economic crisis, the freedom of the corona stuffs, the freedom of moving freely. Describe yourself in one funny sentence. I'm a funny guy. If this is your last day on earth, what will you do and with whom? What you will do? If this is your last day on earth, what will you do and with whom? It's a very difficult question.
God knows, as your dog knows.
Yes, God knows as your dog knows. If this is your last day on earth, what will you do? I can like it's difficult to answer, but in my mind I wish if I know that this is my last day on earth, I will go to Coimbatore. I will go to like Isha Yoga Center. I will spend my day with Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev. So if I know this is my last day, then I will do it. If you go invisible for one day, what will you do? If you go invisible for one day, what will you do? Then why I will say you that? Okay, if I go invisible for one day, what will you do? If I go invisible for one day, I will go to Russia. I will go to I will go to Moscow. I will meet one of my most favorite person there. Scale your confidence level 0 to 10 in front of opposite gender. I know why you asked me this question. Okay, to be honest, my confidence in front of opposite gender is zero. I can't talk with girls. Like for the first time, I can talk with girls. But if somebody introduces me with any girls, then I can talk with like so long. But for the first time, I can't. This is the reality. So that's why like girls think that I'm a moody. No, I'm not moody actually. I'm afraid to talk with girls. Your secret talent that no one knows or appreciate about you. Do I really have any secret talent? Your secret talent that no one knows or appreciate you. I can say that how long this guy or girls will be able to continue doing his or her workout, like for how many months, because I have a nearly 15 years workout experience. So from the beginning of workout of any guy or girls, I can say that this guy will last 2 months or 3 months, or this girl will come to gym 2 or 3 months. When you will get married? When will you get married? I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Things you want to change from your past. Things I want to change from my past. I was too much lethargic person. I spent a hell lot of money without any reason. Things you want to change. If I get chance to change my past, then I will change these habits. Tell the truth. Are you still afraid of ghosts? Yes, I afraid of ghosts, and I know why you asked me this question. Yes, that event was really hilarious, cause that place was really haunted. I mean, we went on a long drive, me and some of my buddies, and we noticed something which was not natural. So that day I was really afraid. What happens if we all look the same? Man, I know why you asked this question. That bloody memories. We will be Chinese if we all look like the same. But no, not Chinese are like all Chinese are not look the same. It's a misconception. If you ever visited China, then you will notice that not all the Chinese look same, but similar, not same. What are things that you feel tired of seeing or hearing from the society/world? I'm gonna show it. This is the things that when I'm gonna cut my hair. But I don't know when I'm gonna cut my hair. Maybe recently, maybe it will take so long, maybe never. I don't know. But I am really tired hearing this frequently asked question. So yeah, this one. Share the most important lesson you learned from 2021. In 2021, I learned so many important lessons. The first one is, if you want to invest somewhere, you have to study that particular thing a lot. Like you should give that a specific area of investment that so long time. Don't trust people. I mean, trust people, but don't trust them on investing any specific or like particular reason. Study that, and then and don't trust anybody on investment. Do your own study. What is special about 2021? What is special? I was able to taste. I was able to taste the taste of economic freedom. This was the most because I was able to engage myself with the future. What are your New Year resolution? What are my New Year resolution? My New Year resolution is I will try my best to be more active. Life without the internet. Share your views. Life without the internet is boring because I can't think a single moment without internet. Which negative habits are you going to remove from your life? So many negative habits. The first one is emotion. Emotion is a good thing, but I am too much emotional. That's my question. That's my problem actually. So I will try to reduce the amount of emotion. Online payment or cash payment? What do you prefer? I know why you asked this question. Online payment or cash payment? Online payment. Online payment is good. Online payment. What is special about your city or state? What is special of my city? Like my hometown? My hometown name is Noakhali, and if you ever visit or want to visit Bangladesh and you just say that you have a friend who belongs to Noakhali, you will see the magic. Which language do you like very much and interested in learning about it? I should say languages. Mandarin, of course, the Chinese one. And the second one is Russian. And the third one is Deutsch, German. So, and that is my Q&A from questions that you guys asked me on this very special day. Thank you so much for asking, and we hope we will do it again and again. And if the Chinese government allow us this year, so we'll be able to meet up again, hang out again. And Sarteen is calling us. Bye bye.